Today we will give a demo of our website prepsaurus.com. This is a very powerful tool for both the instructors as well as students to make their learning easier and more effective. So we first log into the domain of the website, which is www.prepsaurus.com. Users are requested to create an account through sign up, fill in the details of name, email, password, school name, phone number, and they press start their learning journey. Now, since I have already done it, I will log into my account. Once logged in, the student is shown their profile where they can see the courses that are available. They can see the courses that they have completed. For example, they have completed 27% of the course Scratched Advanced. They haven't started the course the beginner course demo. So this gives them an overview of what needs to be done, how far behind they are, and how to progress. We will first start with looking at a course demo. This is a sample course. Here the instructors can fill the details of what the course will cover. For example, it could be grade 6 mathematics, grade 8 physics, grade 10 chemistry, and so on. So they can fill the chapters that will be discussed, the time for the length of videos that are being covered, the assignments, the quizzes, etc. Students can see a course overview. For example, here there are video lectures, they have access to live classes, there are quizzes and homework, as well as quizzes and examination. We will go over each one at the moment. So the first thing that the student will do is press continue. This will take them to the course player. Here, the student gets access to the various components of the courses. For example, in video lectures, we have a video on differentiation using product rule. This is the product of three functions: e power x, x cube, and sin x. What we can do is we can designate e power x into x cube as u and sin x as v. Of e power x first term to cos x. Student to put it into a question having a product of two terms and then further simplify each product individually. As you can see, the video lectures that are done in a class or done separately can be uploaded for the students to revisit. The students can look at this video several times to improve their understanding and ensure that there is learning outside of the classroom. The students can then have access to the various notes that are provided in a particular lecture. In this example, we have uploaded notes on tangents and normal. Here again, these are notes prepared by the teachers or the students or readily available material online. And these can be uploaded for the access of the children. Sometimes creating video might be technically not feasible because of lack of access to video recording equipment, sound room, etc. In this case, the teacher can supplement the learning of the class by giving them access to links to YouTube videos. For example, here we have given them access to the YouTube video showing refraction of light through a glass slab. Again, what this helps is allows the student to get a one-stop solution for all the learning needs. They do not have to go through various sources, and all the required material
Hello
and video
friends,
links
welcome to our channel Learn and Have Fun. In
are present here. So here you can see it's a visual demonstration of how light bends when it passes through a glass slab. In this way, the teacher can provide access to the students to top-notch video content that is already available online.
let's
Along with video lectures, notes, the student can also be given assignments. All the database of assignments and quizzes can be uploaded. Here, the student has access to a tangent and normal worksheet where they have 5 questions. They're required to do this at their home or after class for their learning. These are non-submission assignments. They need not be submitted for the class. Along with the assignment, the teacher can also provide the solutions to the assignment, which helps the student to self-evaluate and correct the mistakes that they have done. As you can see, these are the solutions to the assignment provided previously. What this helps is digitize the content that is already provided in the class so that the teacher can readily access the various topics that have already been done and they need not revisit or explain the topics again. In the next section, in the first section, we have seen the content being delivered in a passive sense, meaning all the content is already uploaded and the student has to access. But what about live classes? What about classes which need to be conducted at a particular time in a particular day? Our website allows for integration of various software tools, be it Google Meet, Zoom, or any other tool where the student can quickly log in, enter the session. So for example, here we are seeing that the session is on fraction addition. It will be conducted on 19th May at 10 a.m. Now these can be timed sessions or these can be live sessions where the student can just log in and have the session be available to them. In this case, the live session allows for the teachers to quickly conduct Zoom-based sessions in the class. In this example, the teachers can conduct live classes to teach a particular topic or schedule certain sessions within a day for doubt clarification. So for example, here we see that the student, when they enter the website and look at fractions addition, they see that this live session is ready to be joined. All they have to do is click on the button to join the meeting. This is the Zoom session of the instructor where they have just allowed the teacher or the student to join. And now the student on the website prepsaurus.com is having access to the profile of the instructor. Here the student can share the screen or the teacher who's conducting the session can share a particular screen for. And as you can see, the student sees what has been typed or what has been explained by the instructor, just like any regular Zoom session. The student can also see the teacher, and the teacher can also see the student. So all of this is available through the website. Once done, the student can finish the session or leave the meeting. And this is being done at the teacher end as well. So this allows for conducting of various sessions through the website itself. And once they revisit the session, it says the session has been finished. Now, this can be restarted and stopped at the control of the instructor on a particular day at a particular time. Now let's look at quizzes and homework. What about quizzes? Quizzes are self-graded tests. These are not graded by the instructor. These are just for the understanding of the child. So here we have a question. The total number of events of throwing 10 coins simultaneously is. Now, if the child selects the wrong answer, it shows readily that it is incorrect. And if they show or select the right answer, it shows that they are right. As you can see, the system allows for including various types of diagrams, graphs, or any complicated question that is required for a particular test. So in this example, here in the given figure, they are asked to find the value of ZROS. Again, they can select and see which answer is right, which answer is wrong. So in this example, the answer 155 is the correct answer. Also, along with single MCQ questions where only one answer is correct, they can get multiple answer question MCQ questions as well. Here we see that the roots of the quadratic equation are both 3 and 1. Along with MCQ, we have true or false. So HCF is always greater than LCM of two numbers. The statement is false, hence it shows that it is a wrong answer. Along with MCQ based questions and true or false based questions, we have fill in the blanks where the user has to enter the answer to a particular question. Here they have to find the total surface area of a hemispherical solid having radius 7 centimeters. They can type in the answer, calculate it, and say the answer is 140 square centimeters. And when they press enter, the system is very intelligent to see that only the numerical part is incorrect while the text is correct. If they put the text also as incorrect, for example, I don't know the answer, it shows that the correct answer is 462 square centimeters. So this is how the student can self-evaluate after a test and understand a particular topic. What about homework submission? This is a common task that is required. As you can see, the system allows for submission of a homework. Here we have a physics assignment. Once they click, the physics assignment is downloaded. So they have the questions that need to be answered. The student can answer the questions and then drag and drop the files to be added. So for example, they can say, I have solved this question and the answer is this file, and then they can upload it. This file is uploaded. They can add additional comments. Please see if the assignment is correct, and then submit it. This way, the system allows for complete digital interaction between the teacher as well as the student. The student also has an option to resubmit the assignment within the next 30 minutes in case they have found a mistake.